Hello friends, today is day after work day. I came home and I wanna see. This is video recording on my GoPro. Wanted to see how it look in low light. So I came home and the weather is cold. It's really getting cold and I think I'm really cold. Today at night was only 45 Fahrenheit. Today I was wearing my Ugg boots. Here they are. See? So I was wearing my Ugg boots to work. And these Ugg boots are very nice. These are, here they are. I have them now a few years. This is how they look. Metallic. Ugg by label metallic. So it looks like this. So I was wearing them today. Yeah, so I'm testing this GoPro here. Wanna see if it's good in low light, like here. And how it stabilizes video. Because I don't know if it's good for walking videos. Mess on my bed. Today I was sleeping again with my sleeping bag. Here it is. Sleeping bag, but I was holding it. So when I wasn't sleeping hour and a half, and I covered with my blankets, 2 of them, and then I fall asleep. But then it was alarm and I had to go to work. Didn't feel nice. Didn't feel well at morning. So I don't know if today sleep under this, or maybe because I know I have this comforter down one, but it seems cold in touch, and when I'm cold sometimes my body feels cold. Okay, and to test that GoPro, this is low light. This is video test and sound. 1 2 3 test 1 2 3. Okay, that will be the test of GoPro and on. We'll show you something else. For my car I got this catalytic converter cleaner. I got this catalytic converter cleaner. Looks like this, and I also got 2 gallon canister because tomorrow I will go to place, to gas station. I will put that in, and then I also will get 2 gallons in this, in case, because you have to have only 3 gallons and drive it. So in case it's not enough, I will have 2 gallons in my trunk of some gas. So tomorrow I have to fill up my fuel with this. Add to it, because I have engine light and some code related with catalytic converter. Okay, that's it for the short vlog. Wanted to see how it's going today, and I also can show you my shoes at Walmart I've got. So I got such shoes at Walmart. I can show you that my GoPro doesn't stand. No. So I got these sneakers at Walmart for about $20. They look like this. Wide width, and they were $20. Brand is Avia 11, size 11 wide, and they are nice sneakers. I'm thinking to use them for work. Of course, not every day, but sometimes. They have nice design and seems comfortable. And yeah, they looks like this. Looks not bad. And they have nice here, nice foam ends, like for the support. And this, how it's called, laces are long. So yeah, maybe we'll try them and work. Okay, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoy such videos. But I can also show you my other sneakers from Walmart. These ones are sneakers from Walmart that I got a few months ago in summer, and they are nice version of sneakers from HOKA, as they are, but they are of course cheaper, but that foam here seems really nice and good quality, and this part is good quality. And here are HOKA. This foam doesn't seem any different. Also same squishiness. Yeah, so I don't see big difference, just in shape a little bit. Okay, that's it for my video. Hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching. Thumbs up and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.